This is what I call the Mandelbrot Mountain. It is a 3D representation of the Mandelbrot set, named after Benoit Mandelbrot.
Huh.
And it is based on a fairly simple equation, and you just iterate a number multiple times through that equation, and each layer represents one iteration, with the black layer on the top representing the final iteration.
Holy cow. So how many layers? So this here, the red, that's one.
That's one iteration.
2, 3, and then all the way up to...
There's 25 iterations, plus the black on top would be infinite iterations.
Oh, that is really cool. And this was done on a 3D
So it's done on an Ender 3 3D printer.